Hey guys, got a 2020 F250. This is just the door trim removal for this particular vehicle. Just showing you what you need. You will need a pick tool with a hook on it. Just makes life a bit easier. A plastic door trim tool and just a drill with a 7mm socket. First thing I do is just remove this plastic panel here. Under here is a locator, just a little bit of a space so that you can get a plastic trim in. Pop that back and always swing this way because there is a hook on the back of it. Don't pull it out because you may break that. Once you've done that, there's a plastic panel here. Easiest way to get rid of this is get your plastic trim tool in here, get your hook tool, point it down and pull back like so. In behind there you've got your 7mm sockets, and also in behind this panel here you have also got another 7mm. Take that out. Something to remember, these the 7mm sockets here and here have a different thread, so the best way to map it out when you go to put the door trim back together is put your screws in order. So you've got your top screw that came out from here, put that on the floor, next two go down underneath. These two, they're a different colour as well. They two go underneath. There's two more down here. Take those two out, put them underneath as well. Trim pops off pretty easy. Just find an area like that. Be nice and gentle with it. Lift it up and off. Now if you are using this video for tint, the thing to be aware of when you cut your kit is the rubber sits almost an inch below the top of the outside of the window, so just make sure that you extend your kit far enough, otherwise your tint's going to sit above the door trim gasket and it will possibly peel. Thanks for watching.